Papu, Kanna, listen here. Choose the correct option. Justify your answer. Justify your choice. 9 secant squared A minus 9 tan squared A equal to. So, first you write it. Actually, 1 mark this is. No need these steps. But for the explanation purpose, I am writing this. 9 secant squared A minus 9 tan squared A equal to, here is 9, here is also 9. So 9 you take it out as a common number, isn't it? So secant squared A minus tan squared A. So first you should know the identity. What is the identity? 1 plus tan squared A equal to secant squared A. Trigonometric Pythagorean identity, isn't it? So 1 equal to secant squared A plus tan squared when it comes to RHS minus tan squared A. So secant squared A minus tan squared A is nothing but 1, isn't it? Therefore 9 into 1, that is equal to 9. So what is the answer? B. Option B. This is the answer. This is the answer. Do you follow? Second one. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta equal to. First you take this. That is LHS. So 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta equal to what? Here 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta. Next 1 plus cot theta in terms of sin and cos, that is cos theta by sin theta. Why? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Then automatically you can say that cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, because 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. That means what? 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So while you are writing, what will you get? Cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. Those who don't know, just for them I wrote like this. Next minus cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is what? 1 by sin theta. If it is C, then it has to be yes. So 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. Don't write cos theta. Understand? So 1 by sin theta equal to, just you take the LCM. So cross multiply this. This 1 by 1 here. That means numerator and denominators are multiplied by cos theta. Isn't it? So cos theta, understand, plus sin theta plus 1. Why? Here cos theta is there. Only for this you are multiplying both numerator and denominator. So denominator also what will you have? Cos theta. So cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. So you can take it as LCM, that is cos theta. Understand? Here sin theta, sin theta. So here it is 1 by 1. Both numerator and denominator are multiplied by sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Why? Here in the denominator what do you have? Sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. So what is the LCM here? Sin theta. Understand? Both numerator and denominator are multiplied by sin theta. Sin theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta, minus 1 by sin theta. So sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. So sin theta you have written here. Here what you have to do is cos theta plus sin theta, you consider this as a single term. This is a single term. Understand? Here also. Why I am taking like this? A plus B into A minus B form. This is in which form? A plus B into, this is A, cos theta plus sin theta is A, this one is B, that is A plus B. Here also cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta, both are same only. So this is A minus, what is B? 1 is B. So A plus B into A minus B. That is nothing but what? A squared minus B squared. Understand? A squared minus B squared. So what is A squared here? Cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. That is A squared. Minus B squared is what? 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1, isn't it? Divided by cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. Isn't it? Here, A plus B the whole squared form. This is in which form? A plus B the whole squared form. So, A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. Otherwise, how can you write? A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So, here what I am going to do? A squared cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. B squared. A squared plus B squared plus 2AB plus 2 cos theta into sin theta. If you write sin theta into cos theta also, no problem. Understand? Minus 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. Divided by what? Cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is what? This is the identity, isn't it? Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Trigonometric Pythagorean identities, isn't it? So 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. This plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. This plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Understand? So what is the remaining here? 2 cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Here also cos theta sin theta get cancelled. This is and this. What is remaining here? 2 is remaining. So what is the answer? 2 is the answer. What is the answer? 2 is the answer. Do you follow, all of you? Third one, secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So what is given here? Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A equal to, secant A is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. S means C, isn't it? So 1 by cos A plus tan A in terms of sin and cos. That is sin A by cos A. So here 1 minus sin A. Understand? So here the denominators are same. So cos A, LCM. So 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. So what do you have in the denominator? 1 only. So while you are multiplying this numerators, A plus B into A minus B form. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B form. That is A squared minus B squared. In the place of A, what do you have? 1. That is 1 squared minus sin squared A divided by cos A equal to 1 squared means what? 1. 1 minus sin squared A divided by cos A. 1 minus sin squared A is what? Sin squared A plus cos squared A equal to 1. So, cos squared A equal to 1 minus sin squared A. You want to find out 1 minus sin squared A. So, I am keeping cos squared A here. So, 1 minus sin squared A can be replaced with cos squared A divided by cos A. Cos squared A is nothing but cos A into cos A divided by cos A. So, cos A get cancelled. Cos A get cancelled. So, what is remaining? Cos A is remaining, isn't it? So, what is the answer here? Cos A. Cos A, option D is the answer. Do you follow? Fourth one, 1 plus tan squared A divided by 1 plus cot squared A. 1 plus tan squared A is nothing but secant squared A. You know the identity, isn't it? 1 plus tan squared A equal to secant squared A. 1 plus cot squared A is equal to cosecant squared A. For this, when you have C, you will get the same C here, isn't it? So like this, you can remember 1 plus cot squared A is cosecant squared A. This is very easy. Then you can write this. 1 plus tan squared A is secant squared A. So 1 plus tan squared A can be replaced as secant squared A divided by cosecant squared A. 1 plus cot squared A is nothing but cosecant squared A. Secant is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. S means C, isn't it? So 1 by cos squared A divided by cosecant A is nothing but the reciprocal of sine. So sine squared A, isn't it? So what will you get? So numerator as it is 1 by cos squared A into sine squared A by 1. That is sine squared A divided by cos squared A equal to sine squared by cos. So sine by cos is what? Tan. Sine by cos A is nothing but a tan. Here it is squared. So tan squared A. What is the answer? Tan squared A. So this is the answer. Do you follow, every one of you? Huh? So just you do the calculations fast. You do the steps very fast. Since it is 1 mark, choose the correct answer. No need to do it in detail. Just if you know the identity, as much as possible, you reduce the steps and try to get the answer. Do you follow?